Hey guys, I just want to say thanks for all the good response on the diffusers for the Eastwood dual voltage powder coat gun. And you're also probably wondering why, am I sitting here with a powder coat gun from, well, you know, Harbor Freight, the other guys? Well, I'll tell you, I got a lot of requests for the diffuser kit, and does it fit this powder coat gun from Harbor Freight? No, it doesn't. Not at all. The dimensions are totally different. Well, not going to work. But what I will say is that I will be designing one for this, okay? So it'll be about a week, I think, maybe 2, but I doubt it. But I will be designing one, and I will keep you abreast of the situation. This is just a short video to let you know that yes, I am coming out with a diffuser kit for the powder coat gun that Harbor Freight makes. There's a lot of them out there, and I used mine for 2.5 years. Now, I went out and bought another one, a brand new one, well, obviously to make a diffuser for. I'm not going to use mine because I can't demonstrate it. I can't see if it worked. Anyway, I went out and bought a new one, and I'm going to fit a diffuser kit, design and make one for this gun. And I know this gun well enough, this system well enough, that yeah, it needs it. The diffusers they put on these, even the Eastwood and this one, I don't know. They throw really big clouds. Now, the neat thing about the Harbor Freight is that it comes with 3 different diffusers. Unfortunately, they still throw out a big cloud. And like I said, you know, I do small parts. You guys do small parts for the most part. And we don't need a big cloud, all right? So, I'm designing a kit that will fit on this. If you like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, and I do appreciate you guys, honestly. Bye.